Alina Habba, the legal representative of Donald Trump, the former president and prospective Republican presidential candidate for 2024, has recently experienced a sense of validation following allegations of her failure to fulfill the necessary procedural requirement of marking a significant legal checkbox. This omission had the potential to enable a jury to ascertain the final verdict in a trial. The debate pertained to the $250 million civil fraud case filed by New York Attorney General Letitia James against the former president, his adult sons, and the Trump Organization, as reported by Newsweek on Wednesday, October 11. Habba, a staunch supporter of former President Trump who has actively championed his cause in several court disputes, faced significant attention when allegations arose, suggesting a failure to pursue a jury trial as a component of their defense plan. The lack of a jury trial alternative emerged as a central topic of discourse in this well-reported case. The course of events deviated unexpectedly when Judge Arthur Engoron of New York, who was overseeing the trial, made an opening comment, stating that there was no request for a jury trial at the commencement of the proceedings. This statement further contributed to the perplexity and disapproval surrounding the case, as it insinuated that the legal team representing Trump had failed to consider a crucial aspect of their defense tactics. However, throughout the course of the subsequent hearings, Judge Engoron made a revision to his previous statement. The individual acknowledges that James explicitly indicated his preference for a non-jury trial in this situation. It became apparent that the decision to opt for a non-jury trial was within the purview of Attorney General Letitia James, rather than being the duty of Trump's legal staff. Engoron explicated that the legal representatives of Trump had not initially made a request for a trial by jury. Moreover, Judge Engoron underscored that the hypothetical scenario of Trump's legal team requesting a jury trial would not have had a significant impact on the outcome of this particular case. The relief sought in this case was of an equitable nature, indicating that the final result of the trial would be reached by the judge rather than a jury. Hence, the lack of a marked checkbox indicating a request for a jury trial proved to be of no significant consequence. In light of this disclosure, Alina Habba, the legal counsel supporting Donald Trump, opportunistically utilized the occasion to present her arguments before the court. "I express my gratitude to the presiding judge," the individual made a comment, infusing a hint of humor regarding their awareness of not neglecting to examine the package. Habba's remark brought attention to the fact that the uproar surrounding the request for a jury trial was a misinterpretation rather than a consequence of her negligence. This legal development serves as a poignant illustration of the subtleties and complexity that can manifest in high-profile trials, when even seemingly inconsequential actions like as marking a checkbox can yield significant and wide-ranging consequences. Ultimately, the trial centers around the accusations of civil fraud and the legal contentions put up by each party, with the matter of the jury trial finally definitively addressed